Hello students, today from chapter 4 we will start from the page number 60 onwards. The first heading given in this page is who colors the circle first. Students, this is a game. It is difficult to do through this video class, so that we will do in our class when our school reopens. So I will start from the next heading, that is the card puzzle. Here we have given 4 cards, card A, B, C and D, and the questions are asked in the next page, page number 61. The first question is, divide the white area in square A into 2 equal parts. The white area showed in the square A, that white area we have to divide into 2 equal parts. Students, that is very easy. If we draw a line from the corner of this white part to the corner of this black part, that white part is divided into 2 equal parts. Now this white part is 2 equal parts. Now question 2c, divide the white area in square B into 3 equal parts. This is the square B. This part, the white part of this square, we have to divide into 3 equal parts. This is also very easy. If we draw a straight line from here to here and draw a straight line from this rectangle, we can divide that square into white part of that square into 3 equal parts. See this, 1 part, 2 and 3. All these 3 parts are equal. Now question 3, divide the white area in square C, divide the white area in square C into 4 equal parts. Students, this is little bit difficult. That the clue they have given in page number 68, that I will show you with the help of that diagram. Page number 68, that clues they have given. See the page 68. Here they have divided that white part. In the middle of that white part, one more square they have drawn, and after that from the middle of that white part a line drawn, from here also one line drawn. Now that white part is divided into 4 equal parts. Which are the 4 equal parts? First part, second part, third part, and this is the fourth part of this white part. So all these 4 parts are equal, and these 4 parts are divided into 4 equal in size. Now see what is the question 4 relating to this squares. Question 4 is, divide the white area in square D into 7 equal parts. Here no black squares, so we have to divide only the white part into 7 equal parts. It is very easy. Draw this white part into 7, draw horizontal lines to make this white part into 7 rectangles. So it is very easy to divide that white part into 7 equal parts. In this way, see that first rectangle, second one, this is third rectangle. Now fourth one I am drawing, fourth rectangle. Now fifth one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, one more we have to divide this square into 7 parts. See, in this way, drawing 6 vertical horizontal lines, we can divide that square into 7 equal parts. See, this way we have divided the last square D into 7 equal parts. This is the last question about this topic. Now we will move to the next topic, page number 61, guess and check. In this topic, we have given some pictures and asked the question, what part of each shape is colored? Students, see the 2 pictures given in this page. In the textbook, you open the textbook. It has not divided, but in this topic I have already divided the figures and showing how many equal parts are there. So we have to find out what part of this shape is colored. See students, in the first picture there are 8 equal parts. That means it is an octagon. Among that only one part is colored. So we have to write that 1 by 8 of the shape is colored. See the next figure. It is a rectangle. Only one part of this the rectangle is colored and other 7 parts are not colored. Other 5 parts are not colored. It is a 6. We can divide that rectangle into 6 equal parts. I have divided it. See that 6 equal parts are there. In that one part they have colored. So we can write the answer 1 by 6th of this shape is colored. Now move to the next page. Now see our figure 3. It is also a square. See students, see that figure in your textbook. It has not divided in the textbook, but I already divided it. How many parts are there? If we divide that square into equal parts, how many parts are there? It has 9 parts. See, top 3 parts, middle 3 boxes and bottom 3 boxes. Total how many boxes? 9 boxes. Out of that 9 boxes, 9 squares, 2 squares are colored with a red color. See that? So 2 by 9 of these parts are colored. So you write that 2 by 9 of this shape is colored. Now see the fourth question, fourth box. It is a rectangle. In that rectangle, some parts they have colored. I have divided that rectangle into equal parts. See that how many parts are there? Top 5 boxes, middle 5 boxes and bottom 5 boxes. So 5 3s are 15. 15 equal squares are there. Out of that how many squares are colored? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 boxes are colored. So we can write that 4 by 15 parts of this shape is colored. Now we have to go to the next question. Here in this picture, it is a square and in that square they have drawn one triangle and colored it. Here we have asked the question, what part of this square is that triangle and how will you find this out? Students, for finding that we have to divide that square into different triangles of small sizes of the same size which has colored. So I have divided that square into different triangles of equal sizes. Total there are 16 triangles we can make from this square. So we have to write that 1 by 16 part of this square is that triangle, that colored part. The next we have asked is divide the big triangles and other shapes into small triangles like the red one, and how many small triangles are there are all together. That we already divided. All the big triangles also divided. See how many big triangles are there that I have, that I will show you how many big triangles are there. See the first one, that is a big triangle. See the next big triangle. Yes, this is a big triangle and another one there. See that. So that also a big triangle. So all these big triangles we again divided, and total how many small triangles we made? Total 16 triangles we have made. So you have to write the answer how many small triangles are there all together. You write there are 16 small triangles in that square. Now we will move to our next topic, colored parts. In this part we have given 4 circles and each circle is divided into equal parts of different numbers. See the first figure. This first figure, the circle is divided into 2 equal parts. Out of that 2 equal parts, one part is colored in blue. So we have to complete that sentence in that question. The circle is divided into 2 equal parts. Out of 2 equal parts, one part is colored blue. See that second figure. The second circle is divided into 4 equal parts. The same circle is, but once more it divided. So it is divided into 4 equal parts. Out of 4 equal parts, 2 parts are colored in blue. See that 2 parts are in blue and 2 parts are pink color. So we have to write that answer completely. Here the circle is divided into 4 equal parts. Out of 4 equal parts, 2 parts are colored blue. Now see third figure. Third figure, the same circle, it is divided into 6 equal parts. See together. So 1, 2, 3 blue color and 1, 2, 3 pink color. Total 6 parts. 6 equal parts. Out of how many parts are blue color? 3 parts. This also the same half of that circle is colored in blue. So here we have to complete the sentence. Here the circle is divided into 6 equal parts. Out of 6 equal parts, 3 parts are colored blue. Now we will go to fourth figure. See the fourth figure, same circle. It is divided into many more parts, equal parts of 8 parts. See that 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 blue color, 1, 2, 3, 4 pink color. Total 8 parts are there. Out of 8 parts, how many parts are colored blue? Equal half of 8. That means equal same half of 8 parts. 4 parts are colored in blue. So we can say that 1 by 2 means half, 2 by 4 also half, 3 by 6 also half, and 4 by 8 is also same, half. So the same circle divided into many parts, but the half is colored in blue.